Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial here on NailPossible. In today's video, we're going to go for a Dotticure with some metal slices, which I love to use. We're going to start with the metal slices. We're going to use some circle-shaped slices like these. I'm going to place them all on a stamper, making sure they're all face down. And we're gonna fill them in with this metallic pink nail polish using a dotting tool. Let's set them aside, and while they dry, let's apply our base coat. Next, we're gonna apply Moonlight by China Glaze as a base color. We add a second coat so the color is opaque. And we clean up the cuticles. Now we're gonna need a disposable makeup sponge. We're going to rip a small piece and we're gonna use it to dab a little bit of this flaky polish. We're going to place the flakies mostly on the side of the nails. And now we're going to use this polish to add a couple of dots on top of the flakies. Let's check our slices. If they're dry, we should be able to flip them over easily. I'm going to use a dotting tool to bend them a little bit so they fit better on my nails. And once they're all rounded, we're going to apply some of them to our nails. Let's add some more dots with the metallic pink we used before. And if you want, you can add more dots of the other polish as well. Now to finish, we add a top coat. And we have finished our Dotticure with metal slices. I hope you liked this design as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!